us moving and selling everything, we also have a boat that you can see that we're towing. This is not the boat we're going to live on. We have a 27-foot
camping cruiser.
Yeah, that we have a little bit of a time crunch to get it back in the water and working. Over the winter, Chris pulled the engine and fixed everything, and now we are
taking it to test it. A couple things. I put new gimbal housing on the outside or on the back to help fix the leak, and all new components back there. We rebuilt the engine and fired it up the other day. Had an oil leak, fixed the oil leak, so it was running good this morning. Out of the water, we're gonna put it in the water, make sure it doesn't leak, make sure it doesn't sink, and we'll probably go ahead and just tweak on the timing a little bit, make sure it runs well. But just probably a quick test in and out.
Yeah, we'll see if it works.
Okay, now we're gonna see if it starts. 3, 2, 1, go! Almost had it there. Almost. Second try. Nope. Third time. Yep, third time a charm.
We got it.
Woohoo! The engine is happy.
Fuel, battery, temperature, oil. Okay, all the gauges look good. Well, we're coming back in again. We never even left the dock yet. This is still where we are. The engine works and runs great. Our boat will not reverse. So without reverse, we can't go anywhere. Who knew it would be because we can't reverse?
And now Dad's gonna try. No.
Where's it?
It's in there. I already did it. I sprayed. There's just enough.
He sprayed. Try numbers 3.
You're coming. Go ahead, hit it. Hit it again.
We already know the engine works because we did it before. And it failed. It didn't back up.
Explain what happened.
Nope. I don't want to talk about it.
Not a good thing.
Engine fired up great yesterday. No reverse. Fixed forward, neutral, reverse today. Now the engine will fire up. That's it.
He's a little frustrated. So because we are on a time crunch with moving, we're leaving in 6, 7, 8 days. We are just going to take the boat to someone to just have them fix it.
So heading back from dropping the boat off with the mechanic. It's kind of bittersweet, I guess. I was really hoping to have it running and fixed all on my own, but I'm just out of time.
So what's next? Now we're closing on our house next week, so we're almost packed and done and moved out. There's not much left, And then we are leaving the day of closing to go up to Oregon.
Yep. So we're closing on the house early next week. Going to spend, 2-3 weeks up in Oregon probably visiting family before we jump off on this adventure, because we're not sure how long it'll be before we get a chance to go back there. So every Friday we're going to try and post updates, let you know how the boat shopping's going, what we're looking at. We may take a trip. I may fly somewhere to inspect the boat possibly. So we'll just see. So like I said, we're going to try and do once a week updates just to let everyone know what's going on.
Yep. Sounds good.
All right. See you later.
Thanks.